Hello Libra, welcome to my channel. This is your dailies, June 2nd up to June 4th. So we will see your person's energy towards you, Libra, and what can you expect. Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node Spirit. For the people who are going to hear this message for Libra, please give me their person's energy towards them. Libra's person's energy towards Libra Spirit. Thank you so much for all the likes and comments, Libra. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, so let's see your person's energy towards you. Someone is confused here, someone is fantasizing, someone is overthinking. Someone is trying to make a right decision, someone is trying to make a right choice. Six of Cups, Libra, your person is very much in their, they are very much in their feelings, and someone could be blocking this connection maybe, but this person wants you and this person want to go out with you on a date or something. Love is there in this situation, and I feel this is mutual. This is a soulmate connection, could be a past life relationship for some of you, but the connection is strong and the connection is mutual. Could be a third party situation for some of you. For others of you, I'm getting this person wants to meet you, Libra. This person wants to move in with you. For some of you, this person, I feel this person was waiting to meet you, Libra, and this is happening now. For others of you, I'm getting this person is feels that you are manifesting new things in your life, but something could be delayed here, like it's about you, Libra. Like your person feels that something could be delayed here, like you were waiting for some money or some opportunity and it couldn't manifest, it couldn't happen. But for others of you, I'm getting it could be with this person, like your relationship with this person, but this person wants to your person feels that you are their partner. You could be married to this person, and you could be dealing with a Capricorn, or you could be having Capricorn in your chart, but this person feels that you are very stable. You are, for some of you, your person feels you are already married. Now it could be with this person, like you could be their wife or husband. For others of you, I'm getting you are married to some other person, and it could be a third party situation. This person feels that you are obsessed with them, and this person feels the same, like you are on their mind. I'm also getting, Libra, that this person, yes, could be a third party situation, that you are moving in with someone else and they feel they cannot manifest this relationship with you, and it cannot happen now. That's how they view you, like it's better to stop waiting. Yes, this person is, when it comes to you, this person thinks you have options, and this person is very confused. This person also thinks to take his or her time to reach out to you or to make a move in this relationship, but this person is trying to, this person wants to do the right thing. This person see you as you are, an empress, and this person wants to, like this person wants to live with you and wants to take care of you like you are some queen. That's what I'm getting here. You could also be pregnant, Libra, so this person wants to take care of you. This person also, if this person is confused about you, and if this is not, like if your person is little confused about you, it could be because of their mother for some of you, like because their mother, and it could be their wife as well, like they have a child with someone, and this is what, like that makes them confused and little irritated. I'm also getting it could be a third party situation where this person has been hurt. This person could have put you in a third party, Libra. Yes, I'm getting third party situation here. And for others of you, I'm getting this person has broken your heart because this person did not commit to you. This is about commitment, or this person was already married to someone else and this person didn't let you know, but now this person is this person could be very detached Libra, like who just very self-centered person, but this person could be very good at his or her work, like whatever they do for work, this person is amazing in that field, but this person has been hurt as well. You could be dealing with a player Libra, and this person is at the crossroads. This person wants to reach out to you and fuck you. That's what I'm getting here. So this person just want that, but this person is indecisive. Because this person is indecisive, like you will expect them to put work on this relationship, and this is a player, this is a Sag energy. This person just want you, this person want you physically, and that's it. When it comes to put effort in this relationship, this person is very indecisive, and this person want to turn their back, but this in their feelings this person has a passion for you. This person is very conflicted in their emotions, and the reason is stability, the reason is commitment, Libra. Okay, so let's see the intentions towards you. This person wants to end this person wants to take their time to give you a closure. This person has given him or her that closure, Libra. This person wants to take time to give you that closure. If you guys have not broken up yet, or if you guys still feel that unfinished business yet, this person wants to take their time, like they want to take their time to give you that closure. This is not the right energy. This person is very egoistic. You could be dealing with an Aries or a Scorpio, could be a earth sign as well, but this person could be living at a distance from you. You could just feel emotional distance, if not physical. Then I'm also getting, Libra, that this person is very like controlling, like someone who just likes to pass command, like someone who likes to command you in a relationship, and not someone who will take care of you, who will listen to you, who will value your emotions. This is not the energy I'm getting here. This person is very self-centered, and this person has that pride, like they are, like the world revolves around them. I don't know why I'm getting this energy here, but this person is very egoistic, and this person wants to hide stuff from you. This person could be having a child, Libra. Even if this person is going to communicate with you, this person will hide something from you. It could be anything. Expect communication from this person, but this is not going to be a very lovey-dovey situation. 2 of Cups at the bottom. Expect communication from this person, but this person could be very harsh. Expect some arguments, Libra. If not from your side, someone will, if this person had walked away from your life in a past, or this person could come back and use very harsh words towards you. What's the Moon card here? But this person is hiding something from you. This person will try to hide his or her passion for you, Libra, that they feel that pull towards you. I told you this person wants to come at your door and just fuck you. This person wants to heal this relationship, but this person is wishing for you. But I'm getting that this person is very attracted to your beauty, your body. This person wants you. This person could be very harsh. I feel if you are going to ignore this person, or if you are going to say no to this person, this person will be very mad at you. And you could be dealing with a Gemini or Cancer, or someone who is a bipolar as well, and someone who is very indecisive, and someone who hides their dark side, something like that. I'm also getting, Libra, that this person will travel towards you, and if it's not a long distance relationship, but this person will reach out to you. That's what I'm getting here. And let me see the outcome. And the Daddy is here. I have an Emperor. Some change is going to happen, Libra, and something that is you will be in control. That's what I'm getting here. Yes, Judgment Day. If the situation was very stagnant, if someone was unable to make a decision, expect that to happen. But expect love, expect passion, Libra. I have Two of Cups and Ace of Rods. Okay, so this person will come back towards you. If you are dealing with an Aries or a Scorpio, this person will definitely come back towards you, Libra. So expect this to happen. But I'm also getting this person could be very harsh when they talk, so just be aware of that. Let's get love messages from your person. Okay, so we have I don't feel the connection anymore. I should have confessed my true feelings to you. I like to make you feel jealous because it gives me assurance that you are still holding on to me. You deserve better. I'm still loyal to you and you are very beautiful. So these are the messages from your person, Libra. I really hope this reading helped you and resonated with you. Let me know in the comment section. So yeah. What I'm getting from here is your person is going through some mixed emotions, and I already mentioned it. Like, this person is thinking to act very detached and hurt, but eventually this person is going to take action towards you, and this is possible that this person will hide from you that they have that passion for you and they want you. But Libra, this person really want you, and this person finds you very beautiful, and this person may say that you deserve better, you deserve to be loved, and but I should have confessed my true feelings to you. They know that they should have confessed their true feelings. Like, they have passion for you, they have that desire to start this again. This is going to happen eventually, so just be aware of that. I feel you are going to argue with your person and you are going to push them, and then this person will eventually speak that they love you too. Okay, so this was your reading, Libra. I really hope it helped you. Bye bye and take care.